Welcome back. This is KTN Prime. The State Law Office and the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission have told off leaders allied to the Deputy President, William Ruto, who have continuously stated that the Directorate of Criminal Investigations has no mandate to investigate corruption. Attorney General Paul Kariuki says the Constitution has given powers to the DCI to investigate crime, and corruption is an economic crime. Therefore, those who claim otherwise are misinformed. A position that was endorsed by EACC CEO Twalib Mbarak, as KTN's Duncan Haimba now reports.
For several weeks, a section of politicians in Deputy President William Ruto's camp have been at loggerheads with the President and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations insofar as the latest war against corruption is concerned.
It must not be a war that is targeted at certain people or certain projects predetermined for political reasons. We must be honest.
His Excellency the President, if you have a lot of faith in Kinoti, appoint him to EACC and allow the independent institution given the powers to fight corruption to carry out its responsibility.
Tuesday afternoon saw Team William Ruto ask the Attorney General whether indeed the DCI has legal grounds to investigate corruption.
The problem we have in this country now is who is to deal with corruption. Is it the EACC, the DCI?
To what extent do you think DCI has the legal mandate to investigate and deal with matters corruption, cases touching on corruption?
As both EACC and State Law Office bosses set the record straight.
If you look at the DCI, it is mandated to conduct investigation on crime. It has never classified what type of crime, and economic crime is part of crime. So technically, I think they can do what we do, but we can't do what they do.
Corruption is criminal. You can't describe it any other way. There is no corrupt act which is not criminal. It's just different types of crime. So the DCI is mandated, and as the EACC Secretary said, the EACC is also mandated.
The two officers were making their presentations before Parliament on national ethics and anti-corruption policy of 2018 and ratification of the International Anti-Corruption Academy as an international organization. Keep off the Directorate of Criminal Investigations appears to be the message from both EACC and the State Law Office, as the Attorney General explicitly states that DCI has the mandate to investigate any crime. Duncan Haimba, KTN News from Parliament.